Hello, my name is Judah Rosno, and this is my Engineering 360 portfolio presentation. Today I'll be walking you through my progression this semester and detailing why I believe I have earned an A in this course. I believe that I have demonstrated a proficient level of understanding with consistent growth throughout the semester. First step, model complex parts and create functionally mated assemblies using SOLIDWORKS. I assess myself as proficient in this category. To demonstrate this, I passed my CSWA exam as well as all three segments of the CSWP certification. A practical benefit of this was I was able to help complete some of the complex modeling that was required for my servant engineering project this semester, and that was much easier than it was last semester. Perform computer-based simulations using appropriate element types, loadings, and restraints. I also evaluate myself as proficient here. During the course, I successfully passed the CSWA Sim exam. Furthermore, I have received proficient grade on my last two case study resubmits, demonstrating my ability to apply these simulation principles effectively. Here I have a convergence graph that I finally understand how that works, and my clamp, which I learned how to use prescribed displacement for that case study. Identify and clearly communicate key insights gained from a CAE simulation and use them to modify design appropriately. I also assess myself proficient here. I accomplished this by receiving a proficient on my Case Study 7 resubmission, which included a complete redesign of an achieve a complete redesign to achieve a desired response to a thermal load. Additionally, I received a proficient on my Case Study 6 resubmission, which involved evaluating an existing product to see if it could work in our application. Thoughtfully evaluate whether a CAE simulation result seems reasonable and reliable using best practices in verification and validation. I'll be honest, this was my biggest challenge this semester. My main struggle was actually not realizing we could script our case studies until my two resubmissions, which made it hard to communicate within the 2-minute time limit everything that I had done. Despite that hurdle, I believe I earned a proficient rating. I was proficient in case study 2, which used real-world validation, and I successfully used a lumped capacitance model to verify the results of case study 7, resulting in a percent error of less than 5. To summarize my semester deliverables, I passed all CSWP and CSWA sim exams. I achieved 5 competent ratings with 2 proficients in the final third of the semester. I also submitted 14 out of the 15 practice logs and showed growth throughout the semester. Because I was able to demonstrate a proficient level across all 4 of the core course competencies, the grade I believe I earned is an A. Thank you for your time.